Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, in the previous video, if you will see, we did the cat and rat battle project, right? And today we are going to learn about some video sensing game. Okay? So, first I will run this project. I will show you what output you will get here. So as you can see, we have a guitar and it is following our motion. If you will give the some motion, automatically you will get a guitar sound, and you can see, as you can see, this earth is rotating, right? And after that, we have our magic wand sprite. We have all these sprites. Okay. Now, as you can see, it is we have to just apply our motion. Okay. So now we will see how we will create this project. This is very important thing. Okay. So first thing over here, we will select. We have to add some backdrop and we have to add some sprite. Okay. So for sprite, what we will add here. Okay. So as you can see, this way. Perfect. So now, as you can see, first we will add one guitar, which is this. After that, we need to add this earth because we want to rotate that. We have this magic wand, then we have our sprite, and then we have our combo. So in this sprite, we need to just write Happy New Year. Okay. So first thing, we will see the guitar. For the guitar, what we want to add. Okay, so this project is all about our video sensing. Okay, according to our video motion, we will get the sound, we will get the motions. Okay, see this. So we will start from the guitar, and you have to add two extension over here, which is your text to speech and which is your video sensing. So you need to just click on add extension. You have to add your video sensing and you have to add your text to speech, this two. Okay. So now we will start from the guitar. For the guitar, what we need to do, when flag is clicked, so we want to show the guitar. So as you can see, when I'm running this project, you will get the guitar here. Now we want this continuously again and again. What we want, if your video motion is greater than 10, means you will get some motion here. So see, if you will get the motion, so it will start the sound. And as you can see in this sound, we have all these sounds. So according to your choice, you can add the sound. Whatever sound we will add randomly, that will get the sound from 1 to 8, because here we have total 8 sound, as you can see. Okay. After that, we want the next costume for the guitar. See this? So here we have some voice related costume, right? And we need to just wait for a second. Again, we want to change the costume to guitar A. As you can see here, we have two costume. This is our first one and this one is the second. Okay. After that, what we want, when backdrop will switch to your space city, we need to hide this. So here we have a two backdrop. This is our space city backdrop. Okay. So if we will get this backdrop, so we need to hide the guitar. Okay. So this is our first part which we have to do in the guitar, which is when flag is clicked, we want to show that in the forever we will check if your video motion is greater than 10. So we have to start a sound, and according to our choice, we can add any sound. Okay. Now we will see the earth, how earth will rotate. Okay. So for that, what we need to do, we will start when flag is clicked. So we want to show this. Now, what is this? Point in direction. So we want this left direction, and it will set your transparency. You want, suppose if you will make a write 100, what you will get? You will get video transparency like this, a white background. But instead of 100, if you will make it 50 or 40, so you will get your video clear. Okay, so this is the transparency like this. Okay, now we will check if your video motion is greater than 10. We have to turn this sprite, means we want to rotate our earth, which is video direction on sprite, so it will turn your degree. Suppose if I will do like this, that will rotate in a clockwise. If I will do like this, it will rotate on a anti-clockwise, means based on our video. Okay, and then if you want to add a sound also, so we can select the sound, we can add the sound. And again, when we will switch the backdrop, so what will happen? We need to hide our earth also. Now we will see for this magic wand. What we have here, when flag is clicked, so initial we want this backdrop, which is decor one. Okay. We need to wait until if your video motion is greater than 50. So it will set your video transparency. Now it will switch your backdrop to Space City 1 and it will play the sound which is magic. Okay, see. Okay, so you will get your sound according to your motion. Perfect. After that, we will see this sprite. So, what is this sprite all about? This is your Happy New Year. Okay. So, for the Happy New Year, what we want, when flag is clicked, initial we want to hide. But if your will backdrop is your space one, which is our second one, so that we want to show this. In the forever, even we can change the color also. Okay. And we have a last, which is your gobo. So now Kobo will say something here. What the Kobo will say?
Happy New Year.
Kobo will say
Yenin Kutlu Olsen. Feliz Año Nuevo. Buen Ano. Feliz Año Novo.
see. So Kobo will say Happy New Year in different language. Okay, like Happy New Year in Turkish, Happy New Year in Spanish, Happy New Year in Italian, Happy New Year in Portuguese. See,
Happy New Year. Yenin Kutlu Olsen.
see.
Feliz Año Nuevo. Buen Ano.
Miss, we are
Feliz Año Novo.
okay, we are translating. So for that we need to just add our text to speech and we have to just translate it. Okay, so in this way we can create this mini project which is video sensing greetings. Okay, so here we have a two thing, like first we have our guitar, which is like if you will give any motion, guitar will play. Earth will rotate according to your motion. This magic wand you will get here. Here you will get your sprite and here you will get your gobo. The gobo will say Happy New Year in some different languages. Instead of this, if you want to add any other language, even we can say Happy New Year in the Arabic also. We can say Happy New Year in Chinese, Danish, English. So according to your choice, you can add the languages. Okay. So in this way, we can create our this mini project. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.